Introducing the QCI-1000 Torque Tester, an industry-leading tool designed to measure torque values with precision and reliability. This advanced tester from the Advanced Witness series is a favorite among professionals for its exceptional value, combining affordability, high quality, and user-friendly features. The QCI-1000 offers an unbeatable combination of low cost and high quality, making it an ideal choice for entry-level testers seeking reliable torque measurement capabilities without breaking the bank. With its bidirectional use for both CW and CCW torque measurement, the QCI-1000 provides versatility in your testing applications. Peak, first peak, and track modes allow the QCI-1000 to adapt to various testing requirements, capturing the desired torque values with ease. The QCI-1000 supports a wide range of engineering units, ensuring compatibility with different measurement preferences. An intuitive user interface makes the QCI-1000 easy to navigate and operate, even for those new to torque testing. With a torque range of 101,000 lb/in and a drive size of 3/8" SQ, the QCI-1000 delivers accurate measurements within 1%. Powered by a NIM battery or 9V AC adapter, the QCI-1000 is portable and convenient to use. Its compact dimensions of 3.25 L x 3.125 W x 3.75 H and lightweight 2.5 pounds make it easy to handle and store. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the QCI-1000 Torque Tester. Its exceptional value, bidirectional measurement, multiple modes, versatile unit conversions, and intuitive interface make it a top choice for professionals across various industries. Invest in the QCI-1000 and experience precise and reliable torque measurements that will enhance your assembly processes.